Hello teacher. Are you looking for a way to make your presentations more interactive and visually appealing? Here is how you can do so using the 3D model feature on Microsoft PowerPoint. Step 1. Open the PowerPoint presentation where you want to insert the 3D model. Step 2. Click the Insert tab on the top menu bar and click the little arrow and you get to options, that is, you can insert from your own device or stock the 3D model from the library provided. Step 4. I will be choosing a model from the given library and choose any of the 3D models displayed relating to your topic. Step 5. Once you have chosen your 3D model, click the Insert button to add it to your PowerPoint presentation. Step 6. The 3D model will appear as a 3D model placeholder in your presentation. The 3D model feature Microsoft PowerPoint can help with bringing abstract concepts to life and increase overall student engagement. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.